What's going on, guys? It's your man Ed Hayes, the wholesale coach here. Just wanted to make a quick video to let you all know about the progress that we've been making on these properties, guys. We've been out here killing it. We're going to go see a property tomorrow morning. It's nighttime right now. We're going to lay down soon. Just wanted to give you all an update. We're going to show you a little bit of this Amazon, a little bit of an Amazon update, guys. We're killing it out here. We sold 3 products today. So if you pumped for this video, go ahead and hit that like button now, as we're going to go see a property tomorrow, actually 2 properties tomorrow. We had a ton of conversations with cash buyers that want to come out and see it. We've got a lot of stuff in the pipeline right now, guys. If you pumped for this video, go ahead and hit the like button now and subscribe to the channel if you're new, guys. Let's get it. Alright, guys, so what we're looking at here, guys, is our seller statement, our payments from Amazon, guys. So you can see we actually lost money last month. We only sold like 1 or 2 products or something like that. But now, guys, as you can see, we paid that $18, almost 20 bucks, like I told y'all, for shipping. And so far we paid $24 in Amazon fees. That's based off the products that we sold those. And guys, we are in the green. We are officially making money on Amazon, guys. We sold 3 products today. Products are somehow flying off the shelves. Don't ask me how, but people are out here buying this stuff. They buying these books up. So as you guys can see, we out here selling major products, y'all. 25 bucks for this little quilt. $10.68 for this U squared book. You know, all of these products are selling, guys. We out here getting it. It's crazy. It's almost hard to believe that we can actually be out here selling this stuff on Amazon so easily, guys. It's just so easy, guys. Y'all can't even pass this up. This is what y'all need to be on right here, so you can see the orders. I want y'all to see how we're getting these deals coming in, guys. People just out here buying this stuff. Look at this. This is what we bought today. I mean, this is what we sold today. So we got 1 payment completed. That's pending. That's pending. Haunted houses book. So you all seen this stuff. Y'all saw this in the previous video. This was the stuff that was in that box that we took to the UPS store, guys. We out here getting it. It's really just as easy as that. 6 hours, 10 hours, 10 hours. You see that? You see it with your own 2 eyes, guys. We just went to the dollar store. You see me. Go to the dollar store. Spend $1 on these items. Look, $1 for this, and we just sold it for $10.68. $1. Oh, actually, I had this book already. That was something that we just sold that was in the house. But these other 2 books, $1. Look, $8.52, $6.46. That's a lot of money just for selling some books, guys. But just don't forget, though, if your stuff weighs too much, guys, you're gonna lose money. So definitely be sure of that. Pay attention when it comes to how much your stuff weighs. But yeah, though, guys, just wanted to give you a quick Amazon FBA update, guys. It's all working out nicely. So stay tuned. Let's get it. All right, guys. So we've been out here getting sales, guys. I just wanted to show you so you know that I'm not playing no games, guys. I'm just gonna refresh the page. We out here getting sales, guys. 3 sales today. My phone's about to die. You see, we out here getting it, man. So we've been getting a ton of sales. This was just like this little reversible quilted furniture. Chair cover. That's what it's called. Yeah, this is just a reversible chair cover that we sold about a week ago for 25 bucks. And then today, all of a sudden, guys, so yeah, we got 3 sales so far today, guys. Out here killing them. You see us, we not playing no games. You see it's real. I'm refreshing. This is legit. It's right now, guys. We killing them on just the stuff that we just had randomly sitting around in our house, and just some books that we went and got from the dollar store, guys, like you seen us. So guys, it's real, it's legit, guys. Go ahead, take advantage. I'm going to be creating a step-by-step guide on how I get all of these things like actually shipped off to Amazon, so you all can see that too. But I just wanted to show you all the live sales, guys. Alright, guys, so I almost forgot to show you all these new products that we just got. So it's these 4 little mini speakers right here. Well, we've actually got 3 of them left, guys, because we already sold one of them for 20 bucks, guys. So we got these little mini speakers, touch light, touch control, color changing speakers, guys. As you can see, they change little colors. I just want you all to see for yourself with the Amazon Seller app, or why we bought these today while we were at Jewel's buying up some groceries, guys. We just walked in, they had a clearance rack right there. We went and checked these out. 36 bucks, guys. It's only one offer on there right now. 36 bucks. That's what we could be selling them for. We bought them for $7.49 a piece, I believe. So I already put the cost of purchase is $8 to factor in some tax. So it was about actually $29.96 for all 4 of them. So yeah, it worked out perfectly, guys. So we about to be shooting these off probably tomorrow. We're gonna be getting 20 bucks profit a piece, guys. And we bought 4 of them, but then we actually sold one of them to our brother, and he yeah, for 20 bucks, guys. We just bought it for $7.49, guys. We sold it. We sold one already, and now we got another 3 of them coming in. That's a total of 60 bucks profit. Wait, 60 plus, that's 80 bucks profit, guys, with a total investment of 30 bucks, guys. So that's that's 50 bucks profit. You can't lose with that, guys. Just buying it low, selling it high, guys. It's the name of the game. Let's get it. Alright, guys, so as you see, we're out here getting money, doing Amazon FBA, guys, with retail arbitrage right now. We're actually thinking about diving into online arbitrage as well, where we buy items from these websites that we've been checking out online and selling them for a huge profit on Amazon, guys. If you're interested in that content and any more of this Amazon content, guys, go ahead and subscribe to the channel and hit that like button now, guys. And also, I'm gonna be starting up a new channel, guys. We're gonna be doing more blog types videos, more family lifestyle, what's going on in our life type videos, so you can all get like a behind the scenes view of what's going on with the Hayes family, you know, all types of videos, guys. I'm really excited to bring it to you. And also, that's where we're going to be hosting this Amazon FBA content, guys. We're going to be having a lot of how to make money videos, things like that, guys, on the other channel. I'm going to be trying to keep this channel as wholesale coaching exclusive as possible, guys. So then everybody can just come here for the wholesale coaching. But if you're trying to find out different ways to make money, different ways to grow your business, different like books to read and things to do and stuff like that, travel type stuff, the in real life videos that we're going to be doing, where you all can go with us when we travel and see the things that we're out doing and things like that, guys. So if you're interested in that, go ahead and hit that like button now, guys, and subscribe to the channel, because I'm going to be dropping like an intro video for the new channel on here, guys. But I'm just letting you know in advance. Till next time, guys, I'm out. Say something else. You're going to be right up in this video.
If anybody want to see spousal abuse, hit a like and subscribe to this channel.
Oh, no. Go on somewhere, fam. Go on somewhere.